Standard 5. Subject English. Topic Talking about things 2. My English Book 5, page number 12. Read aloud. बुलंद आवाज से पढ़िए. The apple is on the box. On मतलब ऊपर. There is a ball on the box. Ball बॉक्स के ऊपर है. The fish is in the jar. In यानी अंदर. There is a ball in the box. The girl sits under the tree. नीचे. Under मतलब नीचे. लड़की दरख्त के नीचे बैठी हुई है. There is a book under the table. The books are near the hat. Near करीब. The books are near the hat. Books hat के करीब हैं. There is a spoon near the bowl. The keyboard is in front of the monitor. In front of means सामने. Keyboard monitor के सामने है. Sunita is in front of the Meena. There is a school behind us. Behind पीछे. हमारे पीछे स्कूल है. Blackboard is behind राजू. राजू के पीछे ब्लैकबोर्ड है. Now look at the picture. We'll make a sentence. The doll is on the fish tank. The fish is behind the stone. The fish is under the stone. The cat is in front of the fish tank. Now in this picture, the umbrella is behind Sunita aunty. The pumpkin is on the mat. Apples are in the basket. Now in this picture, book is in front of the alarm clock. The ruler is in the book. The spectacles are on the book.